gamit. Isang bagsak para sa ating mga mentors. Isang bagsak para sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. At isang bagsak para sa ating sarili. Your oath of profession today shall bind yourself to practice our profession in promoting the values of excellence in integrity in every customs broker. And now, it is my honor and privilege to present to you our new customs brokers. Please stand.
I have to document this.
And raise your right hand for your oath of professional and repeat after me. I state your name. Wow! Sabi ko na eh, repeat after me. Repeat. I state your name. State your residence. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support. And defend the Constitution. Of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith. And allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws. Legal orders. And decrees. Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities. Of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose these obligations. Upon myself. Voluntarily. Without mental reservation. Or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear. That at all times and places. I will adhere closely. To the ethical and professional rules. Generally accepted. By the customs brokers profession. In the Philippines. And I will well and faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability. The duties and obligations. Incumbent upon a legally authorized. Customs brokers practitioner. So help me God. Again, my warmest congratulations.
To the new customs brokers, you deserve another big round of applause. Congratulations. You can proceed. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, to introduce our honorable guest speaker, let us all welcome the Honorable Linet T. Dabudon.